In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Discord. We'll walk through each step to establish this integration smoothly, making it a breeze to manage your workflows. Let's dive in and get started with connecting these two powerful tools. First things first, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Once you're on the Trello login page, simply click on the login option. While there are different ways to log in, a convenient way for most users is to click on the Google button and select your account from the list. This method is not only quick but ensures you're securely logging in with your existing credentials. Once you're logged in and you see your Trello dashboard, the next step is to go to the specific board you want to integrate with Discord. You can either navigate from your dashboard or use the direct link to your board. After you've accessed your board, look for the Power-Ups option. It's usually located in the menu at the top of the page. Power-Ups are Trello's way of adding additional features and integrations to your boards, and in this case, it will enable you to connect to Discord. Click on Power-Ups, and you'll need to select Add Power-Ups. In the search bar, type Discord to find the relevant option. Once you see the Discord notifications option in the search results, go ahead and click on it to proceed. With the Power-Up panel open, locate the Add button and click on it. This action will initiate the process to bring Discord and Trello together. Now it's time to configure the settings. Navigate to the settings option. You will see an Authorize Account button, which you need to click to enable the connection between Trello and your Discord account. Next, click Authorize to give permission for this integration to access your Discord server information securely. This is an important step to ensure that your accounts can share necessary data without any hiccups. After authorizing, you'll be prompted to log in with your Discord account details. Make sure you're using the right Discord account, as you'll need to seamlessly sync it with your Trello board. Once logged in, you'll see a list of servers that you have access to. Choose the server you wish to connect by selecting it from the available options. From there, click on Connect as Server. This option will finalize your selection and link the two platforms. Before wrapping up, make sure to click Save. Saving your connection will ensure that your setup is preserved and operational, and that's it. You've successfully connected Trello to Discord. Whether you're sharing updates, reminders, or notifications, this integration will certainly enhance your productivity and communication flow. Thanks for following along, and happy project managing.